$125,597. That's the average salary for IT professionals paid by some companies like Chevron in America, according to Glassdoor. Compare that to $46,310, the median income for most other occupations tracked by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. With this massive pay gap, it's no surprise that tech roles are in red-hot demand. By 2029, IT jobs are projected to grow 11%, much faster than average. Most assume coding is beyond their abilities or requires expensive degrees they can't swing. Why? Simply because the tech industry remains shrouded in mystery for outsiders. Buzzwords like cloud computing and blockchain abound. Job titles like Scrum Master and Full Stack Developer confuse and overwhelm beginners. Yet 70% of tech positions don't even require a computer science degree. The new era of tech is hungry for diverse talent from all backgrounds. The age of AI is here. Choosing the wrong profession in this era could mean a one-way ticket to unemployment. And I get that seems overwhelming, especially if you're unsure how to navigate your career in this rapidly evolving world of tech. But take a deep breath, because this video serves as your definitive guide to breaking in and moving up the tech career ladder, featuring insider tips to launch and advance your technology career, master the most in-demand skills, create a standout resume despite lacking experience, ace the interview, and negotiate a top market salary offer. In this video, I'll map out the unconventional journey taken by most successful programmers, developers, and engineers. You'll learn how to leapfrog the competition. I'll reveal what hiring managers are looking for in top talent but rarely find. You'll get the keys to open doors that lead to fast promotions. If you want to trade the typical slog for an accelerated path to becoming tech's next rock star, this video will show you the way. It starts with one step. With over 15 years in the industry, I've helped countless aspiring tech enthusiasts to successfully break into this exciting and lucrative field, and I'm here today to pass that knowledge on to you. Consider this your insider access to trade secrets that took me years to uncover through trial and error. I've poured my heart and soul into this guide, spending over 11 months designing the curriculum, researching the latest industry trends and best practices, and refining my methodology. My goal is to give you a crystal clear roadmap to launch and elevate your tech career. I'll share the exact strategies and hacks I wish someone would have taught me when I first started. So get ready to take some notes, because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with a comprehensive plan and all the tools you need to land your first job in tech, excel in your early career, and progress to the coveted six-figure salary range within the next couple of years. The future is yours for the taking. Let's get started by getting familiar with the tech industry. The tech industry is one of the fastest growing and most dynamic sectors today. As we enter the middle of this decade, the demand for skilled technology professionals will continue to skyrocket. Now is your incredible time to launch your career in this field. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects computing jobs will grow 13% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average across all occupations. And the median pay for tech occupations is already over $100,000 per year, more than twice the median wage for most other jobs. Without a doubt, the financial prospects are bright. And the good news is that there are a diverse range of career paths within technology that you could pursue, including software development. This involves designing, building, maintaining software applications and systems. Some popular languages and frameworks include JavaScript, Python, Java, C#, React, Angular, and .NET. And roles include web developers, app developers, backend developers, full stack developers, and more. And then there's IT network administration, responsible for managing computer networks, databases, servers, IT help desk, and other infrastructure. Required skills for this career path include networking, security, troubleshooting, computer support, and being adept with operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Data science is focused on extracting insights from data through statistics, machine learning, and analytics. Data scientists are in very high demand across industries. Key skills include Python, R, SQL, Hadoop, Spark, machine learning, and data visualization tools like Tableau. UX and UI design, crafting user experiences and user interface designs for digital products like websites, mobile apps, and software. Critical skills are prototyping, user research, visual design, and design software like Figma, Sketch, and Adobe XD. Cybersecurity, securing computer systems, networks, programs, and data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Skills include ethical hacking, risk analysis, security tools, OS internals, and networking. And then there's cloud computing, designing, building, and managing cloud infrastructure, platforms, and services. AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are major players. Skills include Linux, containerization, scripting, and automation tools like Terraform and Ansible. The six-figure salary milestone is very attainable in tech if you gain the right skills and experience. Roles like software architects, engineering managers, senior full-stack developers, and staff infrastructure engineers frequently pay over $100,000. Location also impacts earning potential, with major tech hubs like Silicon Valley and Seattle paying the most. With dedication and focus, you can absolutely launch yourself into a thriving, lucrative tech career. If you've been watching my videos, there's a good chance that you're in your late 20s, your 30s, or your early 40s, and you're thinking about changing careers. I've spoken with many of you, and I know what your problems are. You're uncertain about tech career paths, you lack technical skills, you have concerns about the cost of re-educating, you lack the professional network, and you lack mentorship. Well, there are many tech boot camps that could get you into tech pretty quickly. My personal favorite is Springboard. If you think that's the right pathway for you, use the link provided and get $1,000 off your tuition. But that's not the only pathway into tech. Did you know that you can break into tech for 1/10 the cost of a boot camp? The majority of what you'll learn in a boot camp can be easily learned online for free or at minimal cost. Seriously, people are securing entry-level tech positions every day, all without the burden of a costly CS degree or a full-time bootcamp commitment. My personal mission is to give you the resources that you need to break into a tech career in the shortest amount of time with the smallest possible financial burden. If that sounds like something you're interested in, download my free How to Shift into Tech guide. With that guide, you can start learning and begin your journey into tech all by yourself. And if you need additional help, I've got a range of support options available to help you launch your tech career. Now, let's explore how to lay the educational groundwork. When preparing to break into the tech industry, your educational foundation is key. While you don't necessarily need a computer science degree, some specialized education and training will provide vital fundamentals and set you up for success. For software development roles, a common path is either a bachelor's degree in computer science or an intensive coding bootcamp. A computer science curriculum covers critical concepts like data structures and algorithms, operating systems and databases, and programming languages and architecture. Leading schools including MIT, Stanford, UC Berkeley, Carnegie Mellon, Georgia Tech, and more. Coding bootcamps like Hack Reactor, Full Stack Academy, Flatiron School, and General Assembly offer accelerated training in web development, coding, and computer programming. Look for reputable bootcamps with strong career support and a proven job placement record. For IT and networking careers, useful training include computer networking programs or certification programs from vendors like Cisco or Microsoft. Cybersecurity roles benefit from information or network security degrees or certification programs. When choosing a coding school or bootcamp, you want to look for programs that will truly set you up for success in a tech career. Here are a few key things to look for. Relevant curriculum. The coursework should cover today's most in-demand programming languages, frameworks, systems, and tools. For example, JavaScript is used in almost every web application, so solid JavaScript skills are a must. Python and SQL are top languages for data science and analysis. Java is a popular language for developing back-end enterprise systems. Make sure the program covers technologies that are current and actively used in the industry, not outdated languages that companies aren't hiring for anymore. That's the way your skills will be highly relevant. Another thing to look out for is hands-on training. True mastery comes from building real projects with code. Look for programs that offer ample hands-on coding experience through labs, workshops, hackathons, and intensive project work. You want to walk away from the program with with several portfolio-worthy projects built from scratch to showcase your skills. Coding is a skill you need to practice regularly, like playing an instrument. Hands-on training gets you those vital reps. Career guidance. The best schools offer career support and job prep along with technical education. This includes resume and LinkedIn profile reviews, mock interviews, portfolio feedback, and guidance on finding job openings. With help refining your resume and interview skills, you'll be able to nail the job search process and secure the first opportunity. Make sure career support is included. Proven track record. Investigate the reputation of the coding program and look at their track record placing graduates in relevant roles with strong starting salaries. You want proof the program delivers results and sets students up for career success. For example, General Assembly publishes detailed outcome reports showing how many grads got developer job and average salaries. Look for stats backing up the program's claims. And that brings us to the key languages and tools to learn. Here are some of the core languages and platforms to prioritize. JavaScript. JavaScript has become the core programming language of the web. It powers the interactivity and dynamic behavior on most websites and web applications today. JavaScript code runs inside web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari to make pages responsive and functional without needing to refresh. For example, JavaScript handles click events, animates pages, validates forms, fetches data from APIs, and virtually every other interactive feature. JavaScript is also used extensively on the back end with runtimes like Node.js to build web servers, APIs, and real-time functionality. Modern web development relies heavily on JavaScript skills. Learning JavaScript is absolutely essential for roles like front-end web development, full-stack development, and more. You'll use it to construct UIs, connect front-end code to back-end systems, and enable rich interactivity. Strong JavaScript skills are a huge asset on any resume. Python. Python has become one of the most popular and in-demand programming languages due to its versatility and beginner-friendly syntax. As an interpreted language, it allows developers to be highly productive. Python is heavily used in data science, machine learning, and AI programming thanks to robust libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and SciPy. It has become the go-to language for analytics and automation. Python is also widely used to build web application backends, automation scripts, web scraping programs, and even connect front-end code and APIs. Python is used in frameworks like Django and Flask-Fuel and many other modern web apps. Learning Python is smart for anyone interested in data-related fields or full-stack web development. It equips you with a versatile tool to accomplish many modern programming tasks, from executing algorithms to assembling workflows. SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it's the standard language used to access, manipulate, and analyze data stored in relational databases. Whether data is coming from a legacy database or modern data pipeline, SQL will be involved. SQL lets developers write queries to perform tasks like filtering specific rows and columns, joining together data from multiple tables, grouping data by categories, and calculating aggregates like sum and average. With the rise of big data and data science, being fluid in SQL is a huge asset. It allows you to extract insights from complex data sets efficiently. Almost every programming language can connect to SQL databases to run queries. Whether you aspire to be a data analyst, database admin, backend developer, or data scientist, add SQL to your toolkit. It's a universal data manipulation language underpinning our data-driven world. Git. Git is the most widely used version control system today for collaborating on software projects. Version control allows developers to track changes to code over time, collaborate on shared repositories, and backtrack easily if needed. With Git and platforms like GitHub or GitLab, developers can work together on projects and merge code changes from multiple team members smoothly. Coders can create branches to isolate new features, then merge them back into the main code base. Git enables essential functions like reverting accidental changes, reviewing code history to understand past logic, and comparing differences between versions. As a developer, you'll interact with some form of Git-based version control daily. Git skills are absolutely vital for smoothly collaborating on modern software teams. AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, which provides enormously popular cloud computing services and infrastructure. AWS offers over 200 cloud services, including compute power, storage, networking, databases, analytics, app development, and more. The benefits of cloud computing have made AWS the dominant player in this space. Startups and enterprises alike choose AWS for its convenience, flexibility, and auto-scaling capabilities. Knowing how to architect systems on AWS by spinning up the right resources and services is a highly marketable skill today. More and more companies are migrating infrastructure to the cloud. Whether you aspire to be a cloud solutions architect, site reliability engineer, DevOps pro, or technical founder, get familiar with AWS. It's the industry standard cloud computing provider powering countless applications. Mastering at least one full programming language like JavaScript or Python, plus complementary skills like Git and SQL, will give you a potent skill set to start your career. Gaining professional experience is also hugely important. Look for internships, apprenticeships, research opportunities, and personal freelance projects to build up your abilities. Develop a portfolio highlighting your projects and contributions. Above all, embrace a growth mindset. Tech evolves rapidly, so lifelong learning is crucial. Adaptability and problem solving are valued skills. Stay curious and determined and keep reaching higher. With the right educational base plus a hunger for growth, you'll be well positioned to excel in a dynamic technology landscape. Now, let's look at crafting a stellar resume and portfolio to land your first job opportunity. Your resume and portfolio are absolutely critical to landing that coveted first tech job. These materials are your chance to showcase your skills, abilities, and potential for hiring managers. For your resume, be sure you do the following. Highlight technical skills. Include a dedicated skills section near the top of your resume that outlines the programming languages, frameworks, platforms, tools, and other technical skills that you have experience with. Quantify your proficiency level when possible. For example, proficient in JavaScript, Python, familiar with React, Node.js, MySQL. This gives recruiters an at-a-glance overview of your technical capabilities and toolbox. Showcase relevant coursework. In the education section, list any degrees earned, specialized certification programs completed, relevant classes taken, intensive coding boot camps attended, etc. Include a brief description of the curriculum focus and highlight 1 to 2 major projects built or skills gained. This communicates specialized training. For example, Coder Boot Camp, Seattle, Washington. Certificate in Full Stack Web Development, January 2022. 12-week, 500+ hours of immersive program focused on building full stack web apps. Learned foundations of computer science, MySQL, Node.js, Express, React, and Git. Developed and launched a personal portfolio site showcasing 6 projects built from scratch. Number 3, detail past projects. For each previous job, internship, program, or experience, explain 1 to 2 major projects you contributed to and the specific technical work that you did. This proves that you can apply your skills. For example, developed REST API with Node.js and Express to provide backend services for React Native mobile app. Designed MongoDB database schema and implemented CRUD operations to support user profiles. Describe work internship experience. Briefly explain your overall responsibilities and highlight accomplishments at each role that demonstrate problem-solving skills, leadership, communication abilities, business impact, and etc. For example, software engineering at Acme Corp. 2022. Developed and shipped 2 new user-facing features in Python/Django, increasing customer engagement by 15%. Led planning for the 2023 roadmap by facilitating cross-team collaboration and alignment with stakeholders. Presented analytics dashboards to leadership, resulting in expanded funding for ML model optimization. Highlight leadership. Include any team lead roles, teaching, mentoring experience, club leadership experience, or other initiatives outside pure coding that demonstrate leadership capabilities and the ability to create impact. Use a skimmable format. Name and contact info prominently at the top. Recruiters see this info immediately. Technical skills section near the top. Emphasize your skills up front. Reverse chronological order. List your most recent roles in education first. Use bullet points for responsibilities and accomplishments. They're easy to parse. This structure ensures your resume is clean, scannable, and effectively highlights your technical capabilities and achievements. Convey your unique strengths and passion through your portfolio. Creative visuals, good writing, writing and clean code can also make a strong impression. Invest time refining and tailoring your materials to each application. There are ample templates and examples online to draw inspiration from as well. With a strong resume flaunting your skills and an impressive portfolio revealing your projects and abilities, you'll stand out from the crowd and demonstrate your capabilities and potential. This will open up exciting opportunities to jumpstart your career. With polished application materials ready, it's time to immerse yourself into the tech job market. Be persistent and strategic here, and you can uncover the ideal first role. Cast a wide net by leveraging these strategies. Check major tech job boards like LinkedIn, AngelList, Indeed, Glassdoor, and Stack Overflow. Look for entry-level and junior roles. Follow and engage with promising companies on social media. Turn on job notifications. Attend local tech meetups and events to network and demo your work. Tap your personal and professional network for open roles and referrals. Follow tech leaders and influencers on Twitter for career advice and leads. Search forums like Reddit for insider hiring tips. Subscribe to subreddit job lists. Check lesser known but promising startups. They often hire more juniors and offer equity. When assessing job opportunities, consider the potential for growth and career development in areas like skills development. Look for roles utilizing newer or in-demand languages, frameworks, and tech stacks that you want experience with. Even if you aren't fully proficient yet, these roles will build your skills. Prioritize learning potential. Experience teammates. Research the engineering team's background. Working alongside more seasoned engineers provides ample learning and mentorship opportunities. Training resources. Ask about conferences, attendance, tuition reimbursement, training budgets, and other resources to keep growing your skills. Seek employers invested in leveling up talent. Company trajectory. Early stage startups offer great experience plus ownership in the form of equity, but evaluate funding and revenue plus the leadership to gauge stability. Thoughtfully customize each application as follows. Research company and role. Thoroughly research the company, team, role responsibilities, and required skills. Tailor your pitch to show fit. Study the tech stack to highlight relevant experience. Tailor your resume. Tweak your resume keywords and reorder sections to best match the required and desired skills for that role. Emphasize your most relevant background. Craft a unique cover letter. Write a customized cover letter for each application conveying why you're passionate about the company's mission and opportunities in the role. It is important that you personalize your pitch. Prepare for interviews. Expect technical coding challenges, take-home projects, behavioral questions, etc. based on the company's preferences. Study your potential future teammates' backgrounds. Customization shows this isn't a spray and pray approach. You're thoughtfully aligning your background to each role and each team. This tailored focus helps you stand out. Prepare by researching common algorithms, practicing on the platforms we mentioned above, and refining your communication skills. With diligence and focus, you can land that coveted first role. Be persistent. A no simply means it's not the right fit at that time. Treat interviews as learning experiences. The right opportunity will come. Congratulations, you've landed your first technology role. This is an incredibly exciting time in your career. Approach it with an eagerness to learn, contribute, and grow. Now it's time to maximize this opportunity and set yourself up for long-term success. Let me give you some pro tips. First up, hack your productivity from day one. Block your calendar for 2 to 3 hour heads down coding sessions without interruptions. No meetings allowed. Use the Pomodoro technique to code and focus 25-minute bursts. When the timer rings, take a quick 5-minute break and recharge. Also, limit low priority chats and focus on high value work. And wake up early to crush tasks with a fresh mindset before noon. With laser focus, you'll be unstoppable. Next up, ask smart questions and absorb as much wisdom as possible from senior engineers. Reach out for guidance whenever you're stuck early on. Attend internal tech talks to expand your knowledge. And come prepared to meetings with specific clarifying questions. Drain your experienced teammates' brains. They want to help you level up. Master source control with Git as soon as possible. Follow your team's workflow for branching, committing, and PRs exactly. Write clear commit messages explaining why you did things the way you did. Never ever push broken code. Test locally first and study up on rebasing, squashing, and other advanced Git flows. This will unlock you to collaborate like a pro. Up next, writing solid code. Thoroughly comment on parts that are complex. Refactor and simplify to keep things lean and readable. Run linters and formatters to enforce consistent quality, and write tests to enable safe improvements later. Crafting clean, well-tested code earns you major kudos. Let's level up on that communication too. Always repeat goals back to confirm understanding. Provide frequent status updates to your manager. Speak up early if you're blocked or you need anything, and present your work clearly in demos. Strong communication shows you're engaged and ready to collaborate. Now, build relationships that build up your skills. Express appreciation to teammates who've helped you. Volunteer your skills to help others. Do coffee chats or virtual social hours. And compromise when needed. Being flexible is key. Nurturing your network accelerates growth. Lastly, feed your hunger for continuous learning. Identify gaps like databases or testing to improve. Take online courses and certifications. Experiment with new languages and tools, and attend local meetups and conferences. Staying on the pulse keeps your skills relevant and sharp. See, there's so many paths to maximize your first role and start strong. Owning your early career development sets you up for long-term success. Be proactive, keep learning, contribute value, and enjoy this exciting phase of rapid growth. We're excited to see where your tech career takes you. Now, get out there and show them what you got. After excelling at your first role for 1 or 2 years, what's next? It's time to advance your career to the next level. Be intentional here and use the following strategies. Researching your trajectory. First, carefully map out your long-term career plan and trajectory. Define your dream roles, 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years out. Define a specific target positions, companies, or titles you're aiming for the long term. This North Star gives you direction to guide your skill development. Next, for each goal role, analyze what's required in terms of skills, experiences, connections, and credentials. Make a list of gaps to fill over time to become qualified. Finally, craft a realistic timeline with stepping stone jobs, skills to learn, and milestones to hit year by year in order to reach those dream roles. Planning your path strategically is the key. Number 2, gaining specialized expertise. With a career roadmap set, prioritize gaining specialized expertise in high-demand technical domains. Focus your learning and development on areas like cloud computing, machine learning, mobile development, and DevOps, which are in hot demand. Set a goal to become the person companies seek out for your niche specialty. This makes you invaluable. However, also broaden exposure across the wider stack. Combine depth in your specialty with breadth across complementary areas. This well-rounded T-shaped skill profile is extremely powerful. Obtaining key certifications. In tandem, validate and communicate your expertise through respected certifications. Get certified in foundational cloud platforms like AWS Solutions Architect and Microsoft Azure Administrator. This proves that you can architect systems on these popular platforms. Certifications like CCNP for networking, CISSP for cybersecurity, and PMP for project management will also make you more marketable. These credentials serve as proof points that you're constantly expanding your skills through structured learning. Number 4 is to expand your skill set. Further complement your tech skills by cross-training in adjacent disciplines. If specialized in engineering, develop product management and UX design skills. If more technical, build business acumen and financial literacy. If specialized in one area, broaden into full stack capabilities. Well-rounded skills allow you to take on greater responsibilities, understand company goals more holistically, and become more versatile to changing needs. Enhance your leadership skills. Level up leadership and communication abilities by volunteering for presentations, writing technical guides, leading initiatives, and mentoring others. Take on more public speaking through presentations and demos. Create simplified documentation explaining complex topics. Suggest process improvements and influence with authority. Finally, coach and develop junior engineers through guidance and code reviews. These activities build invaluable leadership experience. Networking and visibility. Finally, network intentionally both inside and outside of your company to expand visibility. Connect deeply with executives, senior engineers, and business stakeholders to find mentors. Attend tech conferences, meetups, hackathons to broaden connections and spread your personal brand. Contribute to public forums, email lists, and open source to demonstrate thought leadership. Engage professionally on LinkedIn and Twitter. Follow industry experts. Making connections and sharing insights builds essential visibility. With strategic planning, targeted skill development, impactful certification, broadened capabilities, leadership growth, and networking, you can chart a course to an amazing career. Pursue progress purposefully, year by year, opportunity by opportunity. The tech world rewards dedication, learning, and community. Being intentional and strategic about career growth unlocks new levels of potential. Stay hungry, keep developing in-demand skills, build your network, and spectacular opportunities will open up for you. After honing your skills for several years and producing solid results, you'll be ready to level up to that lucrative six-figure income bracket. How can you position yourself for this coveted promotion? I'm glad you asked. Let me break it down step by step. First and foremost, you need undeniable senior level technical expertise. Become the go-to expert in a specialized niche like blockchain, AI, or cybersecurity. Establish yourself as a top contributor to major initiatives through high impact work. Complement your skills with respected certifications like AWS Solutions Architect to validate your cloud talents, and demonstrate thought leadership by speaking at conferences and publishing articles on technical topics. When you're seen as a true technical authority, you're ready for the next step up. Next, showcase strategic leadership abilities by spearheading mission-critical programs from start to finish. Come up with the initial pitch and scope for high visibility projects tightly aligned to the company's goals. Assemble and motivate a world-class team to execute your vision. Drive development from conception all the way through to full launch. And don't forget to track metrics to quantify the business impact you delivered. Owning programs end-to-end displays the cross-functional leadership skills crucial for senior roles. You should also prove your talents architecting complex distributed systems built to massive scale. Design solutions resilient to heavy traffic loads and sophisticated cyber attacks. Analyze infrastructure needs and lead migrations to optimal cloud platforms like AWS. Automate deployments and build pipelines using tools like Jenkins, Spinnaker, and Terraform. Monitor performance in real time, rapidly debug issues, and continuously improve bottlenecks. Senior engineers have this big picture vision and architectural expertise. Mastering critical soft skills is equally important. Communicate crisply when presenting to executives, customers, and cross-functional partners. Influence without authority, securing buy-in across disparate teams. Resolve disputes through compromise, tenacious negotiating, and maintaining win-win scenarios. And mentor junior engineers to develop rising talent around you. Senior roles require superb communication, political savvy, and leadership. Last but not least, build external visibility as an industry thought leader. Publish articles and speak at conferences to establish your expertise beyond the company walls. Contribute to high-profile open source projects and communities. Grow a large social media following by sharing technical insights, and promote your personal brand, achievements, and specialties far and wide. This visibility and industry recognition demonstrates you're ready for the six-figure big leagues. Bringing together technical mastery, strategic leadership, architectural talent, advanced soft skills, and external influence prepares you to thrive in that coveted senior position with six-figure compensation. I know the journey isn't easy, but invest in the work purposefully and your time will come. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground here, from building your coding skills to crafting a stellar portfolio, acing interviews, excelling at your first job, mapping your long-term career, developing specialized expertise, building your brand, and reaching that coveted six-figure income. I know that was a fire hose of crucial information. My goal with this extensive video was to pass on the insider strategies and tactical advice that took me over a decade to learn through endless trial and error. I vividly remember being where you are early in my career, wishing someone laid all of this out so clearly step by step. So I wanted to pay it forward and provide that guidance that I crave. Consider this video your personal playbook. Come back and reference it anytime you need direction advancing to the next level in your technology career. I recommend bookmarking it and even sharing it with others who may benefit. This is your blueprint for tech career success. Looking forward, I'm so excited for the incredible career and impact you can create in tech. With focus, determination, and continuous skill building, you can absolutely reach new heights of professional and financial success. It will take grit and perseverance through the tough times, but stick to the plan, stay focused on your larger vision, and big things will unfold for you. If you're just getting started in tech, I believe in you. You're capable of so much more than you actually realize. Your potential is truly unlimited if you work purposefully towards your dreams. The world needs your creativity, ideas, and technical talents more than ever. We're all counting on you, so go make your unique mark on this world and your community. I know you have so much to contribute. I look forward to seeing you at the top, but If after watching this extensive video guide, you find yourself wanting more personalized help to launch and grow your tech career, I invite you to check out my one-on-one mentoring and coaching program. I created this premium program because while a video guide like this can provide more general guidance, nothing beats customized support tailored to your unique goals and situation. My program gives lifetime access to my insider knowledge and proven playbooks refined through over a decade of experience. Here are some key components of the program. Career road mapping. We'll have an in-depth session mapping out your career game plan in granular detail. Define roles 2, 5, and 10 years out. Identify skills to fill gaps. I'll provide personalized guidance based on your passions and talents. Resume and portfolio optimization. I'll thoroughly review your materials and help optimize them to land you high-quality job interviews. This includes refining your resume, portfolio site, LinkedIn presence, and GitHub profile. Tech interview prep. We'll do mock interviews tailored to your desired roles. I'll provide tips so that you can master behavioral and situational questions. Job search strategy. Together we'll craft a targeted approach to uncover the best job opportunities. This includes networking, leveraging referrals, tapping into hidden jobs, and creating personalized pitches. Salary negotiation. When you land that offer, I'll coach you on negotiating salary, benefits, equity, and more to maximize your income. We'll research compensation for your skill set and craft your case. Career growth strategies. Once you're in your new role, I'll be available for ongoing mentoring and excelling at your job, expanding your skills, seeking promotions, building visibility, and advancing towards the 6-figure milestone. This VIP experience provides expert guidance. To shortcut years of trial and error and avoid costly mistakes. My clients, both past and present, have leveraged these strategies to double their salaries, land roles at top tech companies like Google and Facebook, negotiate 5-figure signing bonuses, and fast-track their careers. If you're motivated and committed to your future in tech, I invite you to apply for my mentoring program and let's unlock your full potential. Check the link in the description to learn more and apply. If you found this video helpful, I'd be grateful if you subscribe and share it so that we can support as many aspiring tech bosses as possible. Please let me know in the comments which career path resonated most with you. I love interacting with this community. This is Reggie signing off for now, wishing you all the best on your tech career journey ahead. With focus, drive, and the right strategies, your future is truly unlimited. The tech world needs you. Your time is now. Let's seize it.